Looking for a smarter way to keep your floors clean? Meet the Dreame X60 Ultra, a powerful robot vacuum and mop with intelligent navigation, strong suction, and hands-free cleaning for effortless everyday maintenance. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the robot vacuum, base station, main brush, brush guard, side brush, dust box filter, thermal mop pad holder, dust bag, 200 milliliters pet odor solution, dispenser module, washboard filter, ramp extension plate, quick start guide, user manual. Product overview. How to pair. Download the Dreame Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account or sign in, then enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone to begin the setup process. Power on the Dreame X60 Ultra and put it into Wi-Fi pairing mode. Open the Dreame Home app, tap Add Device, select your robot, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. After pairing, customize your cleaning experience by creating room maps, setting schedules, adjusting suction and mopping levels, defining no-go zones, and controlling the robot remotely from the app anytime. How to use. Place the Dreame X60 Ultra on its docking station and allow it to charge fully before the first cleaning session. Fill the clean water tank if mopping is needed. Make sure the dustbin, side brush, main brush, and mop pads are correctly installed, and remove any large objects or tangled cables from the floor. Press the power or clean button on the robot to begin automatic cleaning. The robot will intelligently navigate your home, vacuum dust, pet hair, and debris while mopping hard floors, clean along edges and around furniture, and automatically avoid common household obstacles for efficient coverage. When the cleaning task is complete or the battery becomes low, the robot automatically returns to the docking station. It recharges the battery and performs automatic maintenance tasks, including emptying the dustbin, washing and drying the mop pads, and preparing itself for the next cleaning cycle. Smart features. The Dreame X60 Ultra delivers powerful suction to lift fine dust, pet hair, crumbs, and larger debris from both hard floors and carpets. It intelligently adjusts its cleaning performance based on the surface, ensuring thorough and efficient results throughout your home. Advanced AI-powered navigation and precision mapping allow the robot to clean methodically while avoiding furniture, cables, shoes, and other everyday obstacles. It creates efficient cleaning paths, ensuring complete coverage with minimal missed spots. Vacuum and mop your floors at the same time for a deeper, more efficient clean. The intelligent mopping system tackles everyday dirt and light stains, while the vacuum removes dust and debris, leaving floors fresh and spotless. The all-in-one docking station automatically empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop pads, and refills the robot's water tank. This hands-free maintenance reduces daily effort and keeps the robot ready for its next cleaning session. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.